So here's side 2 of the 2011 Mustang Coupe base model, changing out the front brake pads. You know how cheap I probably am already by doing this myself, but here would be the pad that was making the issue. This is the one that was making the sounds. Definitely down to grind and crunch. I'm so glad I caught you on time. And the back side is back here. Let's see what she looks like. Oof, into the dirt. One-handed Willie again. Willie one hand. All right. Well, I'm working in the rain anyway. So, Willie one hand or not, I got a job to do. I'm gonna put these pads back on and go ahead and compress these dual pistons and slide this back on, put the 12mm bolts back on. Oh, I sure do hope I got everything right on the other side without looking. I didn't really look, it was too... Alright, quit making excuses up. Wash this stuff off. Stall.